Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram music is not available in your region. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me tell you that if your account is new, then you will fix this type of problem, and if your account is old and still you are facing this type of problem, then what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile, then tap on three lines, go to settings, go to account, and then let me tell you that you have to turn your account into professional. Just simply tap on professional and you have to tap on continue, and your account will be turned into professional, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply tap on share to other apps, and you have to link your account to one of the app. So you have to link your account with WhatsApp or Facebook, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this type of problem, then what you have to do is just simply tap on profile, then three lines, then settings, and then you have to tap on help, and then you have to tell Instagram team that your account is old and you are still facing this problem. Just simply tap on report a problem, then again tap on report a problem, and here you have to explain about your problem. I have already copied and given in the description as well. And here you have to tap on gallery, and let me tell you that firstly you have to take a screenshot of your problem and then tap on gallery. You can see here, from here you have to select a screenshot. I have selected, just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and Instagram team will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If that was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.